I will use this example to demonstrate how to calculate summary statistics using Excel. So now the data is typed from here, from 55 to 95. In total, there are 15 numbers. To calculate mean, you just type equal average. Select the range of the data and write parentheses, enter. For variance, equal var, parentheses. Select the range of the data, parentheses, enter. And similarly, we can calculate standard deviation. Okay, and the minimum is equal min, parentheses. Select the range of your data. For Q1, first quartile, equal QUAR select the range of your data, comma, 1. Okay, median is like this one. For Q3, equal quartile, select the range of your data, comma, 3, parentheses. Okay, for maximum is similar. There is no easy way to calculate IQR, so you have to calculate the difference of Q3 and Q1. So equal, select Q3 minus, select Q1, enter. Okay, so this is interquartile range. For fifth percentile, equal percentile, parentheses. Select range of your data, then select 0.05. Okay.